Hey, what's going on, everybody? Remember this blue 2017 Mustang? This thing is worked up pretty good. We're gonna get it on the dyno and see what it can lay down. I've been waiting a long time for this one. We come underneath the hood, and basically what we see is a typical, Gen 2 Coyote. Doesn't look like very much, but this is an engine that's been sleeved and has forged internals and is capable of over 2,000 horsepower. And if you look around a little bit, you start to see it's got a return style fuel system in it. Right here you can see that. It's been equipped with meth injection. Can't really see it, it's in the trunk, but it feeds into the intake tract over here at some point. And this is the turbo kit. This is the installs that Joe does here at FiveBar Motorsports. To see, it's a nice, neat little install. It's got heat wrap on it, looking really cool. The wrap for the turbo is over there. And this is a BorgWarner S476 turbocharger. 76 millimeter turbocharger. Pretty big turbo, in my opinion. And you can see here, it's got its oil lines. It feeds oil straight from the crankcase. So it's constantly getting fresh oil. But yeah, I mean, this thing is capable of over 2,000 horsepower. The owner is probably eventually going to work his way into that. And I'm really looking forward to when we get this thing on the dyno and get to tuning. And another thing I want to point out too, this is an oil catch can. Not an oil separator, it's a catch can. You can see it routes from both valve covers over to the catch can and does not feed back into the engine. And yeah, so really looking forward to getting this car on the dyno. We're expecting some pretty good things. All right, everybody, you see what these guys are doing with this car? They've got a mobile scale of some type. I don't know that much about it, but they got these little pads that they put on there, and they're gonna roll the car up on that, and they're gonna get the weight of the car, but they're also gonna get the weight distribution and find out, how much percentage of the weight is fore and aft, and they can figure out what to do with the suspension from there. That's pretty cool. I think at one point I'm gonna want to get my car up on this also. Listen to this thing. This is a super high power car. For those of you who are watching, this car's been tuned by Lund. Thanks for taking that. All right, everybody, what we're looking at right here is the 2017 Mustang GT in Grab the Blue. This car's got a 6R80 sleeved engine, 76 millimeter turbo, cranking about 20 pounds of boost. It's got meth injection. And from what I hear, this car is putting down some serious numbers. A couple of minutes, we're going to hear this thing fire up. Should be interesting. You can smell the E85. Jet, what would that be?
12%.
1,200?
No, 12% more. So like another 120 more.
1120?
1120.
Wow. Let's do another pull. What's up, Bobby? Let's go, man. How are you, bud? You good? About the same. Quick pull. Nice. Hey, Dave. Dave, congratulations, man. Congratulations. Way to go, bud. Pretty good numbers out of a Gen 2 Coyote. Credits to Jon Lund Jr. and his team. They did a great job on the tuning. Over 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels on a Mustang dyno. That's over 1,100 on a dyno jet. Way to go, guys. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.